Yeah, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 16th, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles: Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, binary, and two puzzles are left: the killer Sudoku and the tectonic. I will solve the tectonic. Tectonic with I believe 4 stars. Yes, Tectonic with 4 stars. Let me. Oh, let me position the camera because. Yeah. All right. Now I've positioned the camera. So this will be number. Which number? 4711. Yes, 4711. Let me mark this with 4711. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. So should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10, 11 printed digits. This one has 15. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. Yesterday we have a tectonic with 6 printed digits. Wow. Never seen that before. This one has 15. All right. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Do we have here any single box? I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Following question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. So here also the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes in this puzzle. I see here a quadro box. And there also a quadro box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here. Also a quadro box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. This box can be 4. This box can be 1. So this box can only be 2 or a 3. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. We have here the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Only one T shape. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have only one? Yeah, only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Let me draw this here. Remember, when you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Or, yeah, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 3. Okay, more of these kind of shapes? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape, let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes that you need to recognize. There are more. I believe there are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Alright. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means I cannot place the 1 here in this dual box, because if I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 over there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 there, okay. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2 and a 3. We have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers also 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 over there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, so these two boxes can be 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Yeah. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, well, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then let me see. Well. Interesting. Come on. It's taking too long. 5. Yeah. 3, 5, 1, 2. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot make I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. So can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 2. Let me see. 3 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Overlook this 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be 2. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. Let me see. This box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box. 4 numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 1 or a 3. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fit any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 5. 2, 5, 1, 3. Missing the 3. Okay. 2, 5. We have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I've marked this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. We also 1. 1 box left in this corner box for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and the 4, the other pair in this L-shaped area should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Yeah. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a hard one. Because for the hard ones, I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So it's not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today on this hot day. Heat wave is coming the couple of days, so tomorrow it will be hotter. Yeah, a.k.a. Sudoku is waiting for you in a minute. So see you later. Bye bye for now.